So section 421 relating to excessive self-defense in the context of murder charges, murder and manslaughter charges. That states as follows: the person, so subsection 421(1), this section applies if A, the person uses force that involves the infliction of death, and B, the conduct is not a reasonable response in the circumstances as he or she perceives them, but the person believes the conduct is necessary. C, to defend himself or herself or another person, or D, to prevent or terminate the unlawful deprivation of his or her liberty or the liberty of another person. Subsection 4212 states the person is not criminally responsible for murder, but on a trial for murder, the person is to be found guilty of manslaughter if the person is otherwise criminally responsible for manslaughter.